Hello, my friends. It's time for calendar. So let's get started by clapping out the month December. Hands up. December. Great job, friends. Now let's take a look at the letters that we know in our month December. And we will talk about a new letter as well. Tell me what is, let me pick a different color because white you cannot see. What is this letter right here? It's letter C. C makes the k sound like cat. What about this letter right here? It's letter M. M makes the sound for mountains. And monkey. I can always tell that it's an M because they look like mountains. What is this letter? It's letter E. E makes the sound for elephant. And what is this letter right here at the end? It's letter R. R makes the sound for rain. Now let's take a look at a new letter. It's the very beginning of the word December, and it's the uppercase letter. This is the letter that we're going to talk about. It's letter D, and D makes the d sound for dog. So an uppercase D looks just like this. It's a line down and a curved line around. But let's take a look at what lowercase d looks like. A circle, line up, and a little curve at the end. Do they look the same? No, they look very different, but they're both the letter D, and they both make the d sound. Great job, friends. Let's take a look at our calendar. Here's our calendar. So let's go ahead and count. We don't have to count very far because we still are in the beginning of the days of December. But let's see what number we're on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on number 7 for the month of December. Now let's see what pattern should come next. Which piece in our pattern? Think about it first, and then let's see if you are right. Think about it. What should come next in the pattern? Now let's check. Mitten, hat, hat. Mitten, hat, hat. Mitten comes next because our pattern for the month of December is mitten, hat, hat. That's what keeps repeating. Great job, friends. All right, now it's time for rhyming. Now remember, we're not deciding if they rhyme or don't rhyme. We're deciding what other word rhymes as well. So let's take a look at the pictures. We have wall, tall. Well, what other word rhymes with wall, tall? Should it be ball or horse? What rhymes with wall, tall? Think about it. Which one rhymes with wall and tall? Ball, because remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. So say these words with me. Wall, tall, ball. They both end in the all sound. Good job, friends. Now let's sing the weather song together.
Oh, what is the weather?
The weather. Oh, what is the weather? The weather today. So look outside your house and see what type of weather it is today. Is it snowing? Probably not, because it doesn't snow very much in Texas, but maybe one day it will. Is it raining outside? Is it cold? Is it windy? Look to see what type of weather is outside at your house. All right, guys, we got to practice subatizing. So I'm going to show you some pictures of trees, and you tell me real quick how many there are. Remember, we want to try to get good at recognizing how many there are real quick without counting them. So let's start off easy. How many is this? 1. How many? 4. How many? 2. How many? 3. How many? 5. How many? 4. How many? 2. How many? 1. Last one. How many? 3. Good job, friends. We want to keep practicing so we can get really good at seeing how many there are and knowing real quick. All right, let's go into math stories. Now remember, we're doing math stories a little bit different because instead of adding more, we're taking them away and figuring out how many are left. So here's my story. One day in the winter storm, there were 5 elves walking around. So I need to put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, Santa called 4 elves to come back inside. So we need to take away 4 elves. So I'm going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many elves do I have left? I have 1 elf left. That's right. So I'm going to write the number 1. Now remember, number 1 is super easy. It is just a straight line down. So go ahead and practice at home writing those number 1s. All right, guys, we're on a new letter. Let's take a look what it is this week. What is it? It's letter R, and R makes the r sound for ring. So that's what's going to come first. We're going to draw a ring for letter R. So I'm going to go ahead and get yellow. I'm going to make a circle. And then I'm going to take a blue and put a diamond right here for our ring. So I'm going to color it in. And our first word for letter R is ring. I want you to think of one more word that makes the r sound. Can you think of a word that starts with r? Because we're working on letter R. All right, my friends, I can't wait to hear your words. Bye.